And we're back. And here's Max. And this is the engine that we're gonna pull out. Woohoo! You see what I did there with the camera, guys? Oh yeah, we're gonna pull this out. Yeah, we are. Okay, so today what we're gonna be doing, Max is going to take over from here. What are we doing, Max?
I'm gonna spend the next 30 minutes taking this out and taking the transmission off and putting it off to the side, selling it, and then a lot of more work before anything else. Cleaning shit, prepping shit.
What the fuck is that? He's fucking so this guy over here. Alright, so we're getting to it, guys. He is so enthusiastic and ready to do this shit. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna get
We're
back.
not doing that right now, are we?
Are you scared?
Huh?
Guys, this is why we don't.
want to do it right
This is why we have no videos.
That's not why I always, dude. I don't want to do it right now, dude.
He doesn't want to. He's not in the mood to video.
I'd rather
right
make
now.
it a good video, and I just don't want to do it right now, dude.
No, see, look, that's the problem here.
That's not the problem, dude.
That's what.
I'm always doing shit off camera, dude. What are you talking about?
Yeah, exactly. That's the problem because he doesn't like the video. I'm gonna follow Max around from now on. I'm the camera guy. All right, all right. So this is Max's hatch, everybody. So Max, what are we doing today?
We're not gonna do anything today. We're gonna look at it a little bit.
we're just staring at it, dude.
Yeah.
Just staring
Honestly,
at
I don't know. I mean, we gotta start over and then we can do it. I don't know. I don't care, but I just.
Alright guys, so our whole goal here is to leave as much attached to the engine as we can, so that way we can just drop it all out the bottom and pull it out from the bottom of the car. So we're going to hook the cherry picker up to the subframe, we're going to get this thing lifted up, and we're just going to pull the engine out with everything attached, including the radiator, so that way we don't make a mess. It's going to be easier to do it this way, so that way we don't risk scratching up the engine bay by pulling it up out the top. So here we go, it's going to be fun, you're going to see the process. Unfortunately, right here we realized that the bitch pin was welded in, so we had to remove the shift linkage at the pin. It wasn't very fun doing it this way, but it worked out in the long run. I found the best way to get the CB axles is just get a flathead screwdriver and a pry it and pull on it as someone else yanks on the other side. Makes it come out pretty easy that way. Alright, now it's time to get the engine dolly. Set the engine down on the dolly. We're lowering it all down right now, getting the engine mount bolts pulled out, and we're lifting the motor up. And now for the fun part, we're sliding the engine out and we are done. Here we go. We're going to put the wheels back on the vehicle. We're going to lower it down and we are done. Now that the wiring's all pulled out of the engine bay, it's time to move on to the inside. Got the dash removed already. Max is kicking ass here. He is really getting to it. So it's time to pull the steering column. That's what he's doing right now.